So now, Rupa Goswami hears that, and then he understands, oh, this is what it means. I realized it. Because why? Why Rupa Goswami realized it? Because in Dash Ashwamedha Ghat, in Allahabad, Lord Chaitanya embraced him so tightly, practically broke his bones. Because this is the meeting of Mahaprabhu, Vishwambar Mishra, one Brahman, God, Lord Chaitanya is meeting his great devotee Rupa Goswami, another Brahman. But actually, it's the meeting of Radharani with Sri Rupa Manjari. Because now, Mahaprabhu is Krishna. He's not Radharani, but he's in the bhav. He's in the bhav of Radharani's. This is my Rupa. This is my Sri Rupa. Because Sri Rupa Goswami is the very rupam, or form, of Mahaprabhu's wish. The very form of Mahaprabhu's mind, the very form of Mahaprabhu's desire, and the very form of Mahaprabhu's love is Sri Rupa Goswami. And in Braj Leela, the very form of Radharani's Shri means Srimati, the very Sri Rupa Manjari, the very form of Srimati Radharani's Mahabhav, and the very expression of it, and all what it means, and all what it requires, and all where it's going, is that form is in Sri Rupa Manjari.